Good morning. Very fast, I want to share with you my updated skincare routine, and I'll do that very fast. Hey guys, how you all doing? Let me share with you my updated skincare routine, and this is not a vlogmas. I'll try and upload videos at least 3 times a week, and let's see how things work out. I just started using this simple toner. So this is my first one, simple soothing facial toner, and I love this one. This has niacinamide, which is so good for the skin and giving you that flawless skin. That's why I love this one. And I love dabbing on my skin like that. You can also use cotton pads, but I don't like using cotton pads because my face right now is clean. But if I had makeup on, I would use cotton pad to just remove excess makeup. After that, I'm going to use, this is hydrating gel cream. I'm loving this cream, guys, and I normally use this one during the day and night, and I just apply a little bit like so. So other times I use this hydrating light moisturizer because I want to use this one. I normally use these ones during the day and night. This one is so good, guys. Even matte vitamin C. So guys, I use this Garnier vitamin C lemon essence, and this one is normal to oily skin. I love this one because it has vitamin C. It smoothens my face, and I've only used this one for 3 months, and it's so nice. I can see the effect it has done on my face, so I can recommend this one, and it's so affordable. I dab it on my face like I am doing. I don't like do like this. I dab like that, then I also apply on my neck. So this one has lemon, but guys, when you're using this one, make sure you use sunscreen. They have also even indicated here, make sure to use sunscreen because your skin may be sensitive to sunlight. Yeah, it also helps to fade out spots and even your skin. So nice. So you can see my skin, no rashes. I'm loving what I'm getting from all these products. And let's see something else. So do not apply on the delicate eye areas, so you should avoid on the eye areas. So here they're saying you massage, but for me, once I massage, it irritates my skin, so I don't normally massage. So I dab on my skin like so, and it doesn't irritate my skin when I dab. And you can also use this one during the day or night. So nice so I use it day and night. When I'm not using my simple, I use this one. It removes shine from your skin, especially for me because I have combination skin type. So this one is so good. And then guys, I have this simple and age resisting night cream with green tea. I didn't love this one very much. It's the same as these other ones, so I may not buy this one, but it was so nice. And also it was on the higher side because it was almost 1,500 shillings. And then I've also talked about this hydrating booster. This is like a serum, so I'll not be using this one, so I'll use this one. So now after applying, I'm going to use, this is the sunscreen I use. So this is Hydro Boost Water Gel Lotion Sunscreen 50 SPF. That is what I use, and I love this one, so good. I want to try other sunscreen. So I would rather not spend a lot of money on the skincare and spend a lot of money on the sunscreen. And I love this one. But if you have other sunscreen guys which you can recommend, let me know. So guys, I forgot to show you the eye cream. So this is the eye cream that I use. So guys, before I apply this one sunscreen, let me apply the eye cream. I just apply it here. Then I apply my sunscreen. This one is so good, and you can see it doesn't leave white cast after you apply. That's why I love this one. But I don't know about other types of sunscreen, but I think there are a lot of upcoming sunscreen which do not like leave a cast once you apply them. That is so good. So I'm done guys with my simple skincare routine, and now let me show you my other new products that I'll be using, because this is during the day and it's not at night. I have this new night cream from Nivea. I want to try Nivea products. Let me show you. So this is perfect and radiant even tone night cream, all skin types. Yeah, I'll also buy the day cream later on. Let me test this one first. I normally use this one in the evening. This is how this one looks, and these products are so affordable. Other times I use this charcoal mask and hydro mask. This is a tissue mask for the eye. This for the under eye. The next one is this Nivea melting moisture. So this is what I've been using before, and I love this one. And then I decided to try the pink one. This one is watermelon shine. This one is strawberry shine. So I also used Vaseline. The Vaseline one is almost like this one. So the Vaseline, it leaves white, you know, patches on my lips once I use it. I don't like the Vaseline one. So out of my own experience guys, Nivea have very nice lip balm, so good than the Vaseline. Yeah, out of my own experience guys. So I want to try this Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Butter Lotion for my skin, because I normally have very dry skin. So I want to try this one. Let's see how this turn out. After I'm done, you know, using my other lotions, I'll try this one. And currently this is what I'm using, and I'm loving this one. I'm using Johnson's body lotion. It's so moisturizing guys, as you can see. I normally use this baby oil to just lock the moisture because I have very dry skin. So I use this one on top to just lock the moisture, just like the way we do the lock method for the hair. You can also apply that process on your body. So see, it leaves my skin smooth and glowing, as you can see. I've also tried the Dove, but they are also nice. It's always good at least to have an alternative, and I'm happy to have these 3 alternatives for the body lotions. But for the body lotions, I have to use this one to lock the moisture. This one is so nice, and I'm loving all my skincare products. So this is my purchase from Linton's. I got this Black Opal. This is what I normally use. Black Opal stick foundation. I got this one from Linton's. Yeah. So guys, let me know your sunscreen. Let me know what you're using currently, so that maybe after I'm done with this, I can try them out for my skin. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video out. Much love. Peace out.